Okay, thank you, Faliq. So I will continue with the case study. So we have prepared two case study. Here is case study number one. So the title for the case study number one is improving OE through plant maintenance. So in here we are using Press 2A machines. The problem is the 2SW machine had a low of OEE by 70.6%, primarily due to reduced speed loss. So from this problem, we get the data, and then the data we have are loading time 19,200 minutes per month, downtime 3,735 minutes per month, actual output 172,686 units, ideal cycle time 12 units per minute, and effective units 10,360. So basically, when we want to get the OE value, the calculation for the OE is availability plus times performance times quality. So step one, you will calculate availability. So the availability formula is equal to loading time minus downtime divided by loading time. So the value we are looking in percentage, so we time with 100. So from this case study one, the ability we get is 80.6%. Okay, next we continue with the step number two to determine the performance. How to calculate performance is the formula equal is actual output divided by ideal output times 100. So from the data given, we put the value into this equation and you will get performance 93.1%. The next step is step 3. We calculate the quality. So the quality formula is total output minus defective units divided by total output. So from the data given, we put the value into the equations and then we will get the quality is 94%. The last step is the calculate the OEE. Because of we already have all the data, the value of availability, performance, and quality. So now we will get the OEE value. So OEE, as I mentioned earlier, the OEE formula equal to availability times performance times quality. So based on the value we got before, the OA value is 70.6%. So in this case study, based on the downtime given, we get the OEE 70.6%. Okay. By implementing planned maintenance, we will assume 20% reduction of downtimes. Why we assume 20% reduction of downtime? Because the industry benchmark, which is the plant maintenance, typically reduce downtime by 15 to 25%. So by implementing plant maintenance and assuming 20% reduction of downtime, so we will get new downtime equal to 2,988 minutes. So because of this new downtime, so we will get new availability, which improved to 84.4%, and basically the new OEE also improved to 74%. All right, the next slide is telling about case study number two. So this case study is about reducing downtime using autonomous maintenance at CNC shop floor. So the problem for the case study is frequent breakdown cause low availability on the CNC shop floor, which resulting in an OEE of 63.2%. So from this problem, we have gathered the data, and the data are plant production time 1000 minutes per day, the downtime is 200 minutes per day, actual output is 400 units per day, and ideal cycle time 0.6 units per minute, effective units 20 units per day, and that downtime reduction by 25%. So the this case study also we want to determine the OEE. As we know from the case study number one, the OEE formula is equal to availability times quality time performance. So step number one, we calculate the availability. So the availability formula is loading time minus downtime over loading times. So from this case study, we got the availability is 80%. Okay, next, step two, we calculate the performance. So from the data given, we put the value into this performance equation. So the performance equation is actual output divided by ideal output. So from here, we will get 83.3% of performance. And then we continue with the step number three, calculate the quality. So from the data given, we put all the value into this equation. So we will get 95% of quality. And then last step four, we calculate the OEE. So as we know, the formula of the OEE is availability times performance times quality. We will have all this value. So we just put in. So the OEE from this case study will be 63.2%. So now we will use autonomous maintenance. So from this autonomous maintenance, we will assume a 25% reduction of downtime. Why we choose 25? Because the autonomous maintenance in industry basically leading to 25 to 30% improvement in downtime. So since we assume 25% reduction of downtime, we will get new downtime is about 150 minutes. So based on this new downtime, we will have a new availability which improved to 85% and new OEE also improved to 67.1%. Okay, the last is the conclusion about this presentation. So we will say that TPM and OEE provide a robust framework for maximizing equipment effectiveness and also reducing operational losses. So we can conclude also by implementing TPM principles and measuring performance with OEE, organization actually can achieve sustainability, productivity improvements, and competitive advantages. So here the references are used in preparing these presentations. So providing additional insights into TPM and its impact on manufacturing performance. So we have five references in total. Thank you for your attention and also thank you for watching this presentation. Hope you have a nice day. Assalamualaikum.